Hey Mecca Beauty Junkies, it's Emily. Welcome back to my beauty room. Mecca Maxima and Bobbi Brown have just launched their newest lip product, which I'm super excited to share with you. This is the Crushed Liquid Lip Color. I'm obsessed with them all and I'm about to show you all the colors. We've tried them on my lips, watch a few on my arm, and you can get in on this beautiful color range. I'm sure you'll love it because I'm absolutely in awe of them. I'm a sucker for a good nude, so let's start with the nude shades first. First of all, we've got Lychee Baby. Let's zoom you right on in here and you can have a good little look. It's just like a normal kind of lip gloss applicator. There's this really cleverly designed doe foot applicator there that's curved, which makes it really easy to apply. And there's like a little well right here that stores extra color, which I think is really great because it allows you to put just the right amount of product on when you're putting it on your lips. So what I love about the formula is that it's really, really lightweight and it feels like a balm on the lips, which is really comfortable. I love a good gloss, so this gives me the feeling like I've got a gloss on, but the longevity and the comfortableness of a balm. Definitely a big fan. Let's move on to the next nude. We've got Hippy Shake. So this is a little bit more of like a pink base nude rather than the pale one we just tried. So this is definitely kind of like a your lip color but better. Very neutral, very complimentary, and beautiful everyday or workwear color as well. Next one, let's do Juicy Date. So obviously this is a really great date night color. So still a nude, touch more of a brown pigment in there as well, which I can understand would be perfect for a date night. So you can see like the shine you get from it. Kissable, definitely good for a date night. Number 4, let's go Give It a Fig. In comparison to the last one, it's a little bit more vibrant, touch more of a rose. Yeah, definitely much brighter, a bit more of a punch when it comes to like the pink undertones. It really helps to brighten up my complexion, I think. So this is a great color for like a Sunday sesh or a daytime date or a bit of a cocktail party with your friends maybe. I'm gonna dive a little bit deeper into the nude territory with this one. This is Smoothie Move. Much more of a muted rose with a bit of brown in there. Oh, other way. Oh. That's beautiful. So that one was Smoothie Move. I'm gonna go the next one in Haute Cocoa. So this is definitely a lot more brown. Not usually like a brown lipstick kind of gal, but this is the first time I'm trying this one, so we'll see what we think. Because this is a little bit deeper, I'm gonna pay a little bit more attention to the lip line. Oh guys, I really like this color. Considering this is a glossier, more hydrating liquid lip, it's actually giving me some really clean lines, which is great because it will move on the lips a little easier than something that goes completely matte. I'm stoked. I'm super happy with the lines there. I'm a fan. There are a few more vibrant shades here that we're gonna dive into, a few more bold ones. So if you're into bold and bright colors, then stay tuned for these ones. Really difficult to pick a winner out of all of these because they're so lush, but this baby stands out to me because it's typical Emilie, this like peachy coral tone. It's called Peach and Quiet. Such a good amount of pigment in these. Really bright, pretty, very feminine, but still like on the neutral side, so you can pair it with whatever kind of look you're into. Okay, so let's get into the reds and purple tones here. So we've got 2 reds. This one here is called Cherry Crush and is a little bit more on like the cool tone blue base red side. And then we've got Big Apple, which is more of a truer hot red. So more of an orange base, I'd say. Both of them look really delish. So let's start with Cherry Crush. It's a big, big thumbs up for Cherry Crush from me. Look at that, so good. And I'm not even like a red lipstick person, but I'm loving this red lip. And I think if you're a bit afraid or a bit intimidated by wearing like a red lip most of the time, this is a really great way to start wearing red. Let's move on to the other red, which is called Big Apple. So more of an orange based. This tastes good. All right, Big Apple coming at ya. As you can see, it's a little warmer tone, a little more orange based than the red we just tried on. Really opaque, lots of vibrant bold color. but feels just as balmy and hydrating as all of the other shades. So we've only got a couple more left, just 3, and they're all kind of like purple berry tone, so let's give them a whirl. Let's go with the lightest of all of them first, in a gem. So this is like a deeper mauve. So you've got kind of like a muted berry here, so it's not super deep, really appropriate for every single day or work if you want. Obviously you could wear it out with something very sultry on the eyes and it would make for a really beautiful look. Let's move on to Bittersweet, which is very similar to this color but a lot more vibrant. Love it. So this reminds me more of like a grape color because it's got a lot more vibrance than the color we just tried on as well. And last but not least, we've got this very vampy, beautiful, deep berry shade called Cool Beats. Oh, this looks beautiful. This would be so lovely in winter with a glass of red by a fire. So if you like these kind of deeper, vampier vibes, but you obviously want something that's more hydrating and more comfortable on the lips, then you really got to get into this action. This is Cool Beats. This is such a great color. So now I've tried all 12 of the colors on my lips. How about we do a few more swatches on the old arm and see what you think against my complexion. So these are all the shades swatched on my arm. Despite how awkward I look right now, the colors are really, really great. So all your fave shades right next to one another. Thank you so much for watching Beauty Junkies. It's been a pleasure to sit with you again. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment below telling me what your favorite color from the range was. I've had so many favorites out of this range, it's really difficult for me to pick one. So make sure you check them out and let me know which one's your favorite down below. See you next time.